Welcome to the presentation of the OUTRIDER Premium Buffalo Leather Jacket, designed with two large collars featuring heavy-duty snapped buttons, equipped with two hand pockets for quick access. The front features two large zippered utility pockets with multiple storage compartments to store essentials for the ride. It's built with a solid brass main zipper and premium external hardware throughout. Inside, you'll find a roomy interior pocket. Includes a dedicated easy access cell phone pocket, plus an additional interior zippered pocket specifically for your documents. Another roomy pocket provides extra storage option. For all-season versatility, it comes with a removable full sleeve liner. To keep you cool, there are two back ventilation zippers for maximum airflow. For superior mobility on the road, this jacket features a specialized action back. Dual waist adjustments ensure a perfect, customized fit every time. Finally, all 5 pieces of armor, including the back protector, can be easily removed. Built for the road, designed for the rider, experience the ultimate in premium protection.